I believe we all like a good night's sleep, especially after a long and stressful day at work. Even though I just freelance, I do get weary and worn out and would welcome a nice night's sleep afterwards. However, in today's video, we're actually going to educate you on how to rest properly. Instead, we're going to share a new app and a new way online that will pay you nearly $3,000 while you sleep. All you'll need is a phone, a laptop, or a tablet, and of course, an internet connection. Our approach for today is 100% free, meaning you won't be required to pay any extra charges or spend anything. There will be nothing of that because we're here just to make money and not waste it, correct? Nonetheless, our method is also globally available, so no matter where you will be, if you are from the United Kingdom, Philippines, Australia, Japan, India, or anywhere else, and you believe today's method would not reach, we can guarantee you that this will reach you and will be able to cater you like all other locations. Don't worry about not obtaining any technical expertise or previous experiences, since today's method will not involve any of that from you. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. It's incredibly simple and beginner-friendly, and I believe you guys are going to really like it. Like always, we're going to be leaking some incredible bonus tricks and tips, using this method to its greatest extent to end up making the most amount of money attainable. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of that, make absolutely sure that you see this entire video from beginning to end so that you will not get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't even miss any part so that you don't forget any key aspects. Because when you do, possibilities are you won't achieve the intended outcomes. First and foremost, we do want you to ensure that you have a PayPal account. If you do, great. But if you don't, we'll have to request you to open paypal.com, click on sign up now, and continue by creating an account as instructed. When you have a PayPal account, you can now eventually start to receive money. This is the website's homepage, as you can see. So this is how their website must look like. Now what we need you to do is to scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and thereafter, look for affiliates under the useful links section, and it will put you straight here. As stated in the website's affiliate program, recurring commissions with a 40% payout for life, linked directly here, and no awkward affiliate links. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. The website I mentioned with you is named spyfu.com, so let's move on with how it works. The first way you're going to do is to sign up. It's simple to do and it's intended to make you serious money. The second thing you're going to do is send visitors to us without using clunky old affiliate links. We'll credit you as a referring site. And finally, once your first link converts, you'll be able to relax and enjoy the dividends. You can establish your personal hours, become your own boss, and generate passive income while you sleep. The best affiliate deal in the industry, period. 40% in monthly recurring commissions, ongoing income. For referring customers, you're paid monthly for the life of the account. There is also a 365-day tracking cookie. Not every individual converts right then. Our 365-day tracking cookie locks in your credit for the sale, and you're paid twice per month via PayPal or wire transfer. The odds are on your side. There's true potential revenue. Users get recurring commissions for the life of the account, allowing you to earn on autopilot. Our customers remain around with a 4% turnover rate, and with that, SpyFu clients seldom leave. Your repeating commissions have actual value. With an average conversion rate of 2.5%, SpyFu is geared to convert your affiliate traffic. Passive income. Who wouldn't want to earn it? Some facts would be, how does the SpyFu affiliate program work? For each client who signs up using your affiliate link, you will make a 40% of payment of their monthly subscription fee upfront and for every month for the length of the account. For example, if a customer chooses the $299 plan, you will make $119.60 in total paid out per month. That's over $100 for every month. Now, how frequently will I get paid? When you have a minimum of $100 in your affiliate account and an active PayPal account, you will begin to receive monthly payouts from SpyFu. Do you accept payout methods other than PayPal? Yes, the SpyFu affiliate program supports PayPal and ACH. How long does the tracking cookie last? Our tracking cookies last 365 days, meaning that if a visitor clicks on your affiliate referral link posted on your website, then you will be credited with the referral as long as the visitor signs up for a paid account within 365 days. There are even more facts on here. However, the 4 we've listed are indeed the ones that are frequently questioned by a large number of people, so we read them out. But if you have any additional queries that we didn't cover, you can simply read it straight from here, and maybe you'll find it. Or you can write them an email at affiliatespyfu.com, and they'll usually get back to you within 24 hours on weekdays and 48 hours during weekends and holidays. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. It's time to sign up, and all you'll need to do is just select on this button above the FAQ section, and you'll be taken to this one where you'll sign up the same as you usually would. And as soon as you have an account, you'll eventually get your affiliate link, and now it's time to figure out in which we can actually post our affiliate link to get as much traffic and make even more money. So go to google.com and search for weight loss. And as soon as you click enter, you'll recognize that there are certain ads along with the results right here. And if you can, we would like you to open up typically 3 web pages of the results and focus on the advertisements on those web page, because that indicates they're not getting boosted enough to be put on the first page of the search results. So these are the companies who truly need our help. What you'll do is hit on the ad, check for the company and its contact info, grab their email, and when you can access your email, compose an email addressed to that company, making them aware that you can help them enhance their advertisements and place them on the first page of any Google search result. Let them recognize something about SpyFu so that everything we taught you about SpyFu, you can simply send to them and then offer them your affiliate link as well in the email, and before you know it, they're going to be our first customer, and you're getting a huge percentage of how much they're going to pay SpyFu. Well, you can do this as several more times as you're competent of. So just like that, you're going to be making a profit. So make sure you attempt this strategy, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!